Rizal's family. Her father, Francisco Mercado Rizal, Jose's father, a model of fathers, studied Latin and philosophy at the colleges of San Jose. Her mother, Teodora Alonzo Realonda, Jose's mother, a loving and prudent mother, studied at the College of Santa Rosa. Pasiano, Pasiano Rizal, born on 1851 and died 1930. Only brother, second child. Narcisa Rizal, born on 1852 and died 1939. The third child, married to Antonio Lopez, a teacher and musician. Olympia Rizal, born on 1855 and died 1887. The fourth child, married to Silvestre Urbaldo, died from childbirth. Lucia Rizal, born on 1857 and died 1919. The fifth child, married to Matriano Herbosa. Maria Rizal, born on 1859 and died 1945. The sixth child, married to Daniel Faustino Cruz. Jose Rizal, born on 1861 and died 1896. The second son, Philippine national hero, executed by the Spaniards. Concepcion Rizal, born on 1862 and died 1865. The eighth child, died at the age of 3. Josefa Rizal, born on 1865 and died 1945. The ninth child, an epileptic, died a spinster. Trinidad Rizal, born on 1868, died on 1851. The 10th child, died a spinster. Last of the family to die, Soledad Rizal, born on 1870 and died 1929. The youngest child, married to Pantaleon Quintero. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Realonda was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna, and he died in December 30, 1896 in Rizal Park, Manila. He is considered as the greatest son of the Philippines. He stood up and fought for our country independence, not with the sword, but by words written by pen. He provided the inspiration that spared the fire of nationalism. May he always inspire us to do more for our country. He was the seventh child in the family of 11 children, 2 boys and 9 girls. Jose Rizal has mastered 22 languages: Hebrew, Visayan, Latin, English, Arabic, Dutch, Italian, and Russian, Filipino, Subanon, Spanish, French, Malay, Japanese, Portuguese, Ilocano, Chinese, Greek, German, Sanskrit, Catalan, and Swedish. These animal species were named after Rizal. Draco rizali, a species of flying lizard. Rhacophorus rizali, a species of toad. Apogania rizali, a beetle species. These species of animals were once the collected White Hicken. He was an excite and Dipitan. Rizal, the versatile genius. At the age of 2, Jose Rizal could already write and read. He wrote his first poem of the age of 8 entitled Sa Aking Mga Kababata, to my fellow youth. Ang Sa Aking Kababata ay isang tula na nakasulat sa isang Tagalog tungkol sa pag-ibig ng isang tao sa kanyang katutubong wika. Madalas pinapalagay na ginawa ito ni Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas, at sinabing na isulat niya noong 1869 sa gulang na 8 taon, at unang tulang ginawa ni Rizal. Rizal is the one of the new recognized Renaissance men in the world. A Renaissance man is a well-educated person and one of excels in the right variety of subjects or fields. He was an anthropologist, ethnologist, economist, sociologist, educator, architect, engineer, sculptor, painter, playwright, novelist, historian, journalist, farmer, dramatist, ophthalmologist, martial artist, and a cartographer, among other things. Tuberculosis expert. For having cured himself of this disease, he became and was recognized as an expert. Rizal wrote over 35 poems, including Childhood Companions, Memories of My Town, True Education Our Motherland Receives, To the Filipino Youth, To the Flowers of Heidelbergs, No Limitangere, El Filibusterismo, Mi Ultimo Adios. This is monuments in honor of Rizal. 1. Madrid, Spain. 2. Wilhelmsfeld in Germany. 3. Junjiang Fujian in China. 4. Chicago. 3. Cherry Hill, NJ. 5. San Diego in California. 6. Seattle, Washington. 7. Mexico City in Mexico. 8. Lima, Peru. 9. Litio Morris Republic. 10. Toronto in Canada. 10. Campbelltown City, Sydney, Australia. Republic Act 1425. An act to include in the curricula of public and private schools, colleges, and universities courses on life, works, and writings of Jose Rizal, particularly his novels No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, authorizing the printing and distribution, theory of, and for other purposes. Republic Act 229 is an act to prohibit cockfighting, horse racing, and jay alay on the 30th day of December of each year, and to create a committee to take a charge of the proper celebration of Rizal Day in every municipality and captured city, and for other purposes. Ang talambuhay ni Jose Rizal. Si Dr. Jose Rizal Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realonda, ika-19 ng Hunyo 1861, ika-83 ng Disyembre 1896 ay ang pagtawag Francisco. Pampito sa 11 anak ng mag-asawang Francisco Ignacio Rizal Mercado y Alejandro at ng asawa nitong si Teodora Morales Alonzo Relota y Quin. Ipinanganak at si Jose Rizal sa Calamba, Laguna, sina Saturnino, Asiano, Narcisa, Olympia, Lucia, Maria, Jose, Concepcion, Josefa, Trinidad at Soledad, ang mga anak ni Francisco at Teodora. Ang ina ni Rizal ay siyang kanyang unang guro at nagturo sa kanya ng abakada noong siya ay 3 taon pa lamang. Noong siya naman ay tumutulong sa 9 na taon. Pinadala siya sa Biñan, Laguna upang mag-aral sa ilalim ng patnubay ni Justiano Aquino Cruz. Ilang buwan ang nakalipas, pinayuhan niya ang magulang ni Rizal na pag-aralin siya sa Maynila. Ang Ateneo Municipal de Manila, ang unang paaralan sa Maynila na kanyang pinasukan noong 2 ng Enero 1872. Sa kanyang pananatili sa paaralang ito, nagtanggap siya ng lahat ng mga pangunahing medalya at notang sobresaliento sa lahat ng aklat. Sa paaralang ding ito, niya natanggap ang kanyang Bachelor of Sining na may notang sobresaliente, kalakip ang pinakamataas na karangalan. Nang sumunod na taon, siya ay kumuha ng filosofiya at panitikan sa Universidad ng Santo Tomas sa Ateneo, kasabay niyang kinuha ang agham ng pagsasaka. Pagkaraan, kinuha niya ang kursong panggagamot sa nasabing pamantasan, Santo Tomas. Pagkatapos, mabatid ng ang kanyang ina ay tinubuan ng katarata noong ika-5 ng 1882 nang dahil sa hindi na niya matanggap ang tagibang at mapansuring pakitungo ng mga paring Kastila sa mga katutubong mag-aral, nagtungo siya sa Espanya. Dooy pumasok siya sa Universidad Central de Madrid, kung saan sa ikalawang taon ay natapos niya ang karerang medisina. Bilang sobresaliente, napakahusay. Nang sumunod na taon, nakamit niya ang titulo sa filosofiya at titik. Naglakbay siya sa Pransya at nagpakadalubhasa sa paggamot ng sakit sa mata sa isang klinika roon. Pagkatapos ay tumungo siya sa Heidelberg, Almenia, kung saan natamo pa ang isang titulo. Sa taon din ng kanyang pagtapos ng medisina, siya ay nag-aral ng wikang Ingles bilang karagdagan sa mga wikang kanyang mga nalalaman, gaya ng Pranses. Isang dalawwika si Rizal na nakaalam ang Arabe, Catalan, Chino, Ingles, Pranses, Aleman, Griego, Hebreo, Italiano, Hapon, Latin, Portuges, Ruso, Sanskrit, Espanyol, Tagalog, at iba pang mga katutubong wika ng Pilipinas.